Hello everyone. Today let us see the topic on radius of curvature. So, what is a curvature? Curvature means the rate of change of bending of the curve. So, the time taken by a curve mean to say the rate at which it bends is called as curvature. So, curvature is usually denoted by kappa. Kappa equals to d psi by ds. Next, radius of curvature. The reciprocal of curvature is itself called the radius of curvature. So, we denote the radius of curvature by rho. Rho equals to 1 by kappa. Reciprocal of curvature is 1 by kappa is equals to ds by d psi. So, now let us solve the problem based on radius of curvature. So the question is, find the radius of curvature for the folium of D cartase. X cube plus y cube is equals to 3axy at the point 3a by 2 comma 3a by 2. Here x is 3a by 2 and y is 3a by 2. So first we'll write it the given equation. X cube plus y cube is equals to 3axy. Now differentiating this equation with respect to x. So differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Differentiation of y cube is 3y square dy by dx plus this is u into v formula. 3a will be constant. Keep x as it is. Differentiation of y is dy by dx. Y constant. Differentiation of x is 1. So taking the terms of dy by dx one side, dy by dx 3y square minus this is the term of dy by dx, that is 3ax is equals to 3ay, 3a into y, this will come this side, minus 3x square. So now we will simplify this further. dy by dx is equals to 3ay minus 3x square minus 3y square minus 3ax. So here we will take 3 common from both the equation, that is 3ay minus x square divided by 3 common y square minus ax. So 3 get cancelled. dy by dx is equal to ay minus x square divided by y square minus ax. So this is, we call dy by dx as y1 also. Okay, so let this equation be equation number 1. Next, y1 at point 3a by 2 comma 3a by 2. So a in place of y, 3a by 2 minus in place of x, 3a by 2 whole square divided by 3a by 2 whole square minus a into 3a by 2. So taking 3a by 2 common, 3a by 2 if we take common, a will remain minus this side 3a by 2 will remain. So once again taking 3a by 2 as a common term, 3a by 2 minus a will remain. So we will do some conversion in this equation. We will multiply by minus 3a by 2. So when we multiply by minus 3 by 2, the equation get converted into 3a by 2 minus a divided by 3a by 2, 3a by 2 minus this and this will get cancelled, this and this will get cancelled, minus 1. So we call this as equation number 2. Now y2 equals to, so here y1 is equation. So let me write the equation of y1 once again. y1 equation ay minus x square divided by y square minus ax. So from this equation I will take y2. So if we differentiate this equation once again, we will get y2. That is, first this term will be constant, and then next we will differentiate this term, that is a y1 minus 2x. Next this term will be constant, that is ay minus x square. Next we'll differentiate this equation, 2y1 minus a divided by this square, we will take y square minus ax whole square. So now it is very difficult to differentiate this equation or put the values. So we will take separate values of these equations by considering this equation. That is, first we need the value of y square minus ax, right? So y square minus ax is equals to, here see, from this equation y square minus a square, if we take upside, y square minus ax, ay minus x square divided by y1. So I will put the values of x and y in this equation, that is a into 3a by 2 minus 3a by 2 whole square divided by minus 1. y1 value is minus 1. Then next, multiplying, wait, this into 2 minus 3a square by 2 minus 9a square by 4. Okay, this minus I have taken here. This now I will multiply by 2. That is 6a square minus 9a square by 4. That is 3a square by 4. This will be our equation number 3. So now we have got the value of y square minus ax as 3a square by 4. Next we need the value of a y1 minus 2ax. A y1 minus 2x. So as a as it is, then value of y1 is minus 1 minus 2. Value of x is 3a by 2. So minus a minus 3a. This will be minus 4a. Next we need the value of 2y1 minus a. Sorry, 2y1 minus a. 2 y value is 3a by 2. y1 value is minus 1 minus a. This and this gets cancelled. So once again, minus 3a by a equals to minus 4a. Now we need the value of ay minus x square. Ay minus x square. Keeping a as it is. So value of y is 3a by 2. 3a by 2 whole square. This equals to 3a square by 2 minus 9a square by 4 equals to 6a square. Multiply by 2. I'll take the LCM. 6a square minus 9a square by 4. Final answer is minus 3a square by 4. So this is the value which we get for ay minus x square. Now we will substitute all these values in this equation. So y2 of 3a by 2 by 3a by 2. So this will be 3a square by 4 minus 4a minus of minus 3a square by 4 minus a divided by 3a square by 4 whole square. This 4 get cancels. So this is 4a, sorry. This 4 and this 4 gets cancelled. So we get the final equation as minus 3a cube minus 3a cube divided by 3a square by 4 whole square. So minus 3a cube minus 3a cube divided by 9a to the power of 4 by 16. So I'll transfer the 16 here. 16 minus 6a cube divided by 3a to the power of 4. So a cube here 1 will remain, 3 ones are 3 twos are. So that is minus 32 by 3a. Now next what we have to do is, our next task is to find out the radius of curvature. We have just now found the value of y2 and y1. So next task is to find out the radius of curvature. Rho equals to 1 plus y1 square 3 by 2 divided by y2. So this equals to 1 plus minus 1. y1 value is minus 1. So whole to the power of 3 by 2 minus 32 by 3a. So this 2 to the power of 3 by 2 into 3a by 32. Minus 1 square is plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 to the power of 3 by 2 into 3a. I have shifted this here. 3a, that is minus 32. So now this 2 to the power of 3 by 2, I will simplify. This I can write it as 1 plus 1 by 2. So 2 into root 2 I will write it. 2 into root 2 into 3a divided by 32. 2 ones are 2, 6 are 16 are. So 3a root 2 divided by 16. So further I can simplify. Minus 3a by root 2 divided by 8 root 2. So this is our required radius of curvature for the equation x cube plus y cube minus 3axy.